SLDB stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Solid Biosciences stock. It's sitting at $6.52, 22.8% up. Absolutely delivering. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called thousands of quick predictions up on my YouTube channel for free. Specifically looking at SLDP, because it was inside a supply zone, I was like, right, potentially it could be a short sell as long as the rules are met. And this is why I had this red thing here. And guess what happened? Yo, yeah, it just, it just pre-market, like if you were pre-market here, you just understand, right? Boom. We just went the complete other way. And it's not something that I haven't seen before, so like no losses there. I mean, the idea was wrong, but no trades got taken. Specifically with this thing here, it just keeps delivering and delivering. I have my targeted highs. And honestly, I'm just like, when the price goes up like this, I'm just looking to double down on it. The only way that I'm going to look to double down is, to at least take the highs out, is if I see a little pullback and then my rules are met, then I'm fine to buy. But guess what? If the price doesn't come lower and doesn't give me the double break, then I'm just not going to buy, like, ultimately. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.